thought you knew me well, but I keep on messing it up. I drank the poison, it got into my bones. Now I keep on tearing you up. I've seen that mania, can't say I'm blaming you. You've been calling me insania. Let loose that rage in you, 'cause I don't want your mercy. I don't want your mercy. Oh no. Don't hold back, give it to me now. Don't hold back, give it to me. I don't want your mercy. I don't want your mercy. No mercy. Don't think about it.
Ayun, so yun nga, inaantay namin. So 3 taon namin, nagkaroon kami ng long distance relationship na. So, syempre akala nung iba din hindi posible. Ganon. So, ang daming kaliwat ka ng mga naririnig. So, akala hindi nga ganun magiging positive yung magiging kasi nga long distance relationship. So, ito nga inaantay namin. So, ikakasal na kami dalawa ni Daisy. And after ilang months sa preparation, dito matutupad na yung inaantay naming araw.
It's true sometimes. Oh, I can't believe it's true. I get to love you. It's the best.
Bali, sa preparation ng kasal, nag-decide kami na early this year na magpakasal na. Tapos, nagsabi siya sa kanila na magpapakasal na kami. Tapos, after a month, nagsabi naman siya sa side ko. Kasi LDR kami, kaya medyo matagal yung preparation namin. Kasi LDR nga, hindi namin alam kung paano pagsasamahin yung oras namin. Pero all in all naman, smooth naman yung naging preparation namin sa kasal.
I get to love you.
Bali, nung hindi ko pa nakikilala si Joed, iba yung tingin ko sa pagmamahal, hindi ako ganun ka-showy. Pero nung nakilala ko siya, lumabas yung totoong ako sa larangan ng pagmamahal. Ayun, nag-iba yung mundo ko. Naramdaman ko naman na siya na talaga yung taong para sa akin.
Thank God once again.
Si Joed po kasi ay napaka-mabait po niya, maintindihin, saka ayun, mapagmahal, maunawain. Hindi po siya tinutopak, ako lang.
Times, oh, I can't believe it's true. I get to love you. It's the best thing that I'll ever do.
Si Daisy, sobrang lambing, sobrang maalaga, to the point na syempre may sakit ako, nagkikita kami dalawa. Feel na feel ko yung paano niya ako alagaan. Although minsan, or mapapadalas, nagkakaroon kami ng away kasi alam naman, hindi na medyo topakin, mainitin yung ulo. Pero na-handle ko naman.
Love you. I get to love you. I get to love you.
Mahal, ito nga. So, after 3 years natin na in good terms, bilang long distance relationship nga, magagandang pinagsamahan natin, madaming memories na inipon natin. Although merong mga oras na hindi tayo nagkakasundo, may problema, mga unexpected na akala natin is hindi natin kakayanin, pero ito nga, kakasal na tayong dalawa. Alam natin sa isa't isa na tayo lang madalas na nagkakaintindihan, hindi tayo nagpapatinag sa kung ano man yung naririnig natin sa iba. Mahal na mahal kita. Sobrang mahal na mahal kita. Alam mo yan na ikaw at ikaw ang biggest pinaguhugutan ko ng lakas sa araw-araw. I love you, mahal.
to hear your voice and know to touch you is a dream come true. So I'm standing here with my hand held out, knowing that your love will never fade. I stand amazed without a doubt, and I wanna hear your voice in the morning when I rise. I think I know I'm just a normal man, only made of sand, except when you're by my side. Will you love me, teach me, don't leave me, I pray. And when I'm thinking of the times, your hands in mine, together we'll stay. You made me better today than I was before, and now my heart can rest.
Sa pangalan ng ating Panginoong Diyos, tinatanggap kita, Daisy, upang aking maging asawa, upang makasama at mahawakan ka mula sa araw na ito at magpakailanman.
Sa hirap at ginhawa, sa kahirapan at kasaganahan, sa sakit at kalusugan, upang mahalin at ingatan ka, hanggang sa tayo'y paghiwalayin ng kamatayan.
And every prayer I've ever prayed was answered today. So I'm standing here with my hand held out, knowing that my love will never leave. My heart's on my sleeve, and now I believe, and I wanna hear your voice.
Sa bagong yugto ng buhay natin na magkasama, may papangako lang sa'yo magiging mabuting asawa ko at ikaw ang magiging priority ko sa buhay ko. Mahal na mahal kita.
Love me, teach me, don't leave me, I pray. And when I'm thinking of the times, your hands in mine, together we'll stay. You made me better today than I was before, and now my heart can rest, and I won't search no more, 'cause you made me better today. I stand, proclaim, true love is here to stay. I stand, proclaim, forever starts today, today. You made me better today than I was before, and now my heart can rest, and I will search no more, 'cause you made me better today than I was before, and now my heart can rest.
Mga mahal na kapatid at mga kaibigan, buong karangalan ko pong ipinapakilala sa inyo ang bagong kasal na si Ginoong Joel De Jesus at Ginang Daisy Pile De Jesus ay maaari na po nilang pagsaluhan ang unang matamis na halik sa kanilang kasal.